Oh my god, okay. This is the stupidest video ever. Okay, let's see if we can see this little switch right here? It keeps making the door close when it comes off. So let's try and wedge a toothbrush in here. There! Now the door's not gonna shut. Alright, so we have the Uggs here, and I put a teeny tiny bit of washing machine fluid and a teeny tiny bit of this Ugg fluid. And I stuffed the Uggs with my husband's socks and underwear because I'm not going to put my own in there or whatever. And now it's time to start the washing machine. I can't wait. So, let's see. What do you think, guys? Like super little rinse, right? Like 6. Maybe 6. Alright. And we're going to put the water level on small. And it's going to be cold because warm water shrinks Uggs. And we're going to hope that my $200 boots do not die. Ready? Go. Ah! Oh my god! Stop! Maybe I'll turn them sideways. Oh my gosh, this is such a bad idea. Okay. Alright, I'll let you know when it's done. Bye.